The mass of a rock is 52 and 1700ths grams. The mass of a bolt in grams includes a digit that is 1/10 the value of the 1 in the mass of the rock. Ugh. Which value could be the mass in grams of the bolt? All right. So let's break this down step by step. Let's take a look at the rock's mass. The rock's mass is 52 and 1700ths. We need to take a look at the digits and the place values. 5 is in the tens place value. 2 is in the ones. 1 is in the tenths with a TH. 7 is in the hundredths with a TH. The question says is we need 1/10 of the 1 in the rock's mass. So we need to find out where the 1 in the rock's mass is, and it's right there in the tenths place. So we need to find 1/10 of 1/10. 1/10 of 1/10, if I wanted to multiply it out as a fraction, 1/10 times 1/10, when you multiply fractions together, gives you 1/100th. Multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators, and you get 1/100th. Now, 1/100th looks like this. So what I need is to pick a solution here that has point something 1. So if you have a 7 in the hundredth spot, you don't help me. You have a 7 in the hundredth spot too. You have a 1 in the hundredth spot, and you have a 7 in the hundredth spot. So the only logical answer for this one is going to be C. Very tricky problem.